Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and I want to thank my subscribers. Thank you. How was your ending of the summer? Coming up super soon. I got a project I need to do, and this project is coming to a complete end. It's about finishing my awning and making an overhang for all. Oh, yeah. I'm going out to get a 12-foot gray solar color polycarbon panel. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it on the spot to get in the car to save some funds. So come along, check that out. Home Depot, here we come. Polycarbon. That's what I was going after. Could not get it. Sold out, and that's the reason why. Probably the best shot you can get with the power of the golden hour. I haven't said that in a long time. DJI giving me $50 in credit. I cashed in $20 more. I'm waiting for that because it's being audited. And the OM5 is probably what I want to get. Now, GoPro Hero 10, ain't gonna make me a better cameraman doing this vlog into Home Depot, is it? You tell me. I'm just using a camera. An action camera by DJI called the Osmo Action. So here I am in Home Depot. Go get a spot. I gotta get a spot away from everybody. This is a problem with people today. Take your oil. Go bring it inside, even though it says antifreeze. Unbelievable.
Halloween to you. Are you excited for the sinister events about to unfold? If not, you are in the wrong show. Halloween always puts me in a frantic mood. I never know what crazy thing I'm going to do. Do.
I gotta cut this piece. You see, it's way too long to get into the car. Polycarbon's very simple to cut. Just grab yourself a Klein scissors. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift up on just one edge. And start cutting. That's how simple it is, ladies and gentlemen, to cut polycarbon if you never knew how. You get yourself a Klein scissors that can cut a penny in half. Oh yeah. So here we are, getting ready to get out of here. I don't know. I get it. I really get it. Wow, the power of the sun, man. It's just too much right now. Enjoy it, because when winter hits, you're gonna wish it was back again. I gotta get spark plugs, NJK or Bosch, and they're about $25, and I gotta get that tune-up going. That'd be for later on. So this was an interesting vlog. If you want to see me continue to build this, I'll show you that, definitely for sure. So do check in, and I'll get it done. I went to Home Depot. I bypassed Best Buy and Circuit City and Tops, Newmark and Lewis and PC Richards and something Greg and BrandSmart and all those good little stores. And I didn't get a Hero 10. So let's go ahead and work on my project. Forget about what's out there of today's technology. A drill, a bit, the nails, place in, already cut your panel, lift up, right to the end. Make sure this is flush against everything. Look for the drill hole. Place this on level. These go right in with butter. Last one. And the very bottom one. Reverse your drill. Take off the bolt of each one. Back down. Reverse the bolt to clockwise. And start to place in your bolts again. Not super tight, because these things are metal with rubber. What I do, not cutting this, sliding it under. It makes a nice seal. It overlaps. Added protection and security. And I continue on down the road doing my last one or two. Relax method. I'll come back at another time and I'll figure out with my leftover wood I could build something there and finish up. I'm completed, protected for the next heavy rainfall and for the winter of snow. Have a great day, everybody. Good luck on your awning project.